Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the Generate Sales document from template function. Let's get started.
The Generate Sales document from template function allows users to create a sales document based on a predefined template. This function automates the generation of sales documents by leveraging standardized templates for consistency and accuracy. To add this function to your action, locate the action you have configured, press Edit, then click on Add Function. Click on the header of the newly added function, search for Generate Sales document from template, and add it. This function requires configuration. Connect it to a data document and a data document view, then select the template from a predefined list. Available templates include sales document, return order, invoice, and more. That's the end of our quick tutorial on the Generate Sales document from template function. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.